Hey, I'm going to change this light switch out for this here single pole decorator switch. First thing I did was kill the power, and then I verified it with this thing here. Of course, the light worked before, it doesn't work now. It's a good sign. I always just double check it with this. As I pop that off, I'll check it again. Here's the new switch I'm going to install. Green's for the ground. Okay, it's for your black and white here. I'm going to go ahead and unscrew these two. Okay, this is going to be an easy swap. Looks like they got the grounds connected already. Back in there. And the light's connected, so we just got these two plugged in. So we'll follow suit here. Go ahead and unscrew those. All right, now that I got the old one off, I'm going to go ahead and straighten these out with my needle nose. Okay, then the new wires are going to go right down in there. And then I'm going to tighten them up. Okay, there we go. Got the first one in. Tighten that screw up. Do the same with this one. Okay, I'm going to try to yank on them. I got them down there tight, but try to yank on them, make sure they won't pull out. I'll go ahead and fit it back up in there. Pour some wires back in there nicely. That's how that's going to work. The other configuration for these is to put these right in that hole in the back there and then tighten them down that way. Alright, I went ahead and turned the breaker back on. I'm going to fit this thing up, but there's to show that it works. Alright, that's nice. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. Flathead screwdriver. I got these things in nice and flush. Just make sure this thing sits straight. That's it. I just tighten this down with this little flathead here. Snug that up. That's it. All right. Thanks for watching.